So Glenys, you've mentioned a few different areas of managing your diabetes that are really difficult for you, and during our session together I'd like us, if possible, to be able to talk about one at a time.
Yeah,
and so
okay.
On this chart here there are a number of different areas that we could potentially talk about, or what practitioners normally talk about with people who have diabetes. As you can see, there's alcohol and cigarettes, and neither of those apply to you. There's weight management, food, medication and exercise. And there are also a couple of blank spaces here too, because sometimes people feel like there's something more important that they need to talk about in the session, something else that they'd like to actually put in one of those bubbles. But if I was to ask you if there's one of those that you feel most ready to start talking about, or one that you'd like to fill in the blank, where do you think you'd like to start?
Well, I'll just look at that, and the first thing that hits me in the eye is the diet and weight problem, and that's...
These two up here?
Yeah, that seems to be the first thing that hits me. Okay, the exercise too, and I just feel with the medication, well, there's not a lot I can do about it. They just give you the pills and tell you to take them, and that's it. So
which one of those would you feel most ready to talk about today?
I'd like to talk about the weight. Maybe see the diet goes hand in hand. So, well, you got any ideas as far as the diet's concerned, or?
Well, I'd like to talk to you about what the problems are with your diet to start with, and then maybe together we can work out where to go from there.
Okay.
So this is where you'd like to start? Is that what you're saying? You'd like to talk about your food?
The food that I eat.
Okay, all right. That's
and is it so wrong? What I do eat that's so wrong for a diabetic.
Okay. So let's start there, and let's spend some time today talking about your diet.
Okay.